Think so?
Oh yeah.
What are you guys doing?
Just a little cable repair. Is your microphone on there?
Oh yeah.
We got this.
How you liking that, Paul?
Oh yeah.
Is it working? I love how you lube that cable, Brandon. This is a proper scooter swap shop etiquette on how to lube a cable.
How to unseize a cable.
Unseize a cable.
This side is the rusty side for
Hasn't
sure.
got any attention in a few years.
Yeah.
Are we talking about Paul? Or are we talking about the throttle cable?
It's not a throttle cable.
Whatever. Right here. Oh, he's getting looser now.
Oh yeah.
Here, aim it up so we can really fill the void. Go up like that, Paul. Yeah.
Yeah, spit on it.
This is not going to be appropriate for children. Yeah, you see that end, it's a rusty end.
Oh, you got a phone call too?
I think.
John has it. John's great.
Oh yeah. All right, let's take it off. I'm just going to let it.
Marinate.
Let it marinate. Pull your way. Yeah, I'm going to give her the old cream pie. I can't say that. No, you can't say that.
You can beep it.
Oh, yeah.
Paul, if you had one word to describe how things are right now at the shop, what would you say?
Oh, it's all fine.
What?
It's all fine.
It's all fine?
Yeah, it's great.
That's it? It's great?
It's great.
That's all.
Yeah.
What do you say when somebody says, "Who's Paul?" What do you say?
Google me, bitch.
Oh, didn't see you there.
So what's going on with the build?
So, the nightmare of grinding and welding, more grinding, more welding, more grinding, more welding, breaking off the tabs. Cleaning the frame is done. got the motor mount all welded in there. So now we sent it out to powder coat. The customer originally didn't want to powder coat it. He just wanted to get it done quick and get it out of here. So we went ahead and contacted our local powder coating company. And they said they had a blue running, so we're going to run blue on it right now. Once that powder coated frame comes back, we're going to put on the lift and get the motor in it and get it running. So next video, if all goes well, should have the motor in it and get the wiring, the fuel, and get the mock-up and everything all done. So that pretty much wraps up this video. And we'll start on the next one a little bit later.